everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm in the mood for baking, so I've decided to bake pandesal. Well, pandesal is a very common bread in the Philippines, every Filipino's favorite bread for breakfast. It's kind of sweet and a little salty, which is really good. With a cup of coffee, yum! And it's very simple to make. It's easy, simple, and delicious. So, for this recipe, we are going to need bread flour. We need granulated white sugar, melted margarine, salt, yeast. I got this from the Oriental store. It's like 12 grams. And then we need lukewarm water and of course the breadcrumbs. There you go. So for your tip for today, when you bake pandesal, you gotta use warm water so that way it'll be quicker for your dough to rise in the oven. That's the secret. So for the complete ingredients and measurement, here it is. So let's start making our bread. First thing is, I already popped this in the microwave oven for 30 seconds, so it's nice and warm. Perfect. Now first thing we're gonna do is just pour a little bit of water into the yeast. There you go. That's part of a cup and a half water. So we're just gonna set this aside for later. We gotta let it rise before we can put it with the dry mixture. So it's gonna take a few minutes. We're gonna do the bread flour. Ew! Nice and fresh. So we're gonna need 4 cups of bread flour. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. So I already have the 4 cups of bread flour. Now we're gonna do, I'm gonna need 3/4 cup white sugar. So I usually use half of cup and 1/4 cup, so that way I don't have to estimate it. So I want to make sure it has exact measurement. So I'm using 1/4 because I need 3/4 cups. So I'm using 1/4. Oh no, 1/2. I'm sorry. And then 1/4. That makes it 3/4, right? Or is my is my math wrong? I think it's right. Okay. So there you go. And then we're gonna need just a tablespoon of margarine. Now we're just gonna let it melt in the microwave oven again. Alright, and then a teaspoon of salt. So like that. Now we're gonna pour in the rest of the warm water into the mixture. So the yeast is ready. We can pour it in. There you go. And then just mix it with a mixer. So we're just gonna mix it. you go. We just got the perfect consistency. Throw some flour right here. That way it's not going to stick to the surface. So now we're just going to knead this for 5 minutes. And then we're going to put this back in the bowl, cover with a plastic, and then pop it in the oven for like an hour to let it rise. And you have to set the oven on a bread-proof setting. So you're gonna need it. Just like that. My hands are clean. I washed them yesterday. When it comes to food, I'm always careful. And we're gonna put it back in our container. We're just gonna spray with Spam, you're right, Spam. That way this is not gonna stick in there, so. It's good. And then you're just gonna put it in there. Just like that. Isn't that magic? So cover with plastic wrap. Right there. Put it in a bread-proof setting in the oven for an hour. Let's take a look. Oh, looks nice. All right, let me just turn this off. Cancel. This is what it is, guys. After an hour, it doubled the size. Nice. So here it is after an hour in the oven. Looking good. Okay, now we're just gonna take this out and we're just gonna let the air out of it. There you go. Very nice. So just press it like that to let the air out. So now we're just gonna slice it into 24 pieces. So they're all sliced. This is how you're gonna make a bowl. So you have to grab the side and then push it right in the center. So just like that. Doesn't matter as long as the taste is good. That's what's important. So there you go. Now I'll put it back in the oven to let it rise for like an hour on a 100-degree temperature on a bread-proof setting. This is perfect. Now, let's take this out. Perfect. So now I'm going to set the oven to 350 degrees. Once it gets the right temperature, then I'm going to put this bread back in there to bake for like 15 to 20 minutes. So 350. Nice and puffy. That's the way we wanted it. So it's 350 degrees. Now we're gonna put the bread in and bake for 20 minutes. Now remember, every oven is different. So on mine, I usually do it 20 minutes and it's cooked very well. It's 350. So we're gonna put it back in there to bake for 20 minutes. It's perfectly done. So we'll let this cool down and we're gonna try it later. Alright, here you go guys. My hot pandesal. So we're gonna try one and let's see how it tastes. Alright. So beautiful. Let's see. There you go. It's so good. It's sweet and a little salty. Very good. Nice and soft. So guys, try this at home. I'm sure you're gonna